Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on promotions on your accounts on TikTok on email notification settings. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on this three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here you will find notifications. Click on it. Now click on email notifications. Here as you see you will find promotions. Just click like this and it will be turned on, and that's how to turn on promotions on email notification settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.